bright and early in the morning. It's 8:43 and I am playing Awesome Friend this morning for a bunch of people who decided to run Barrel Springs. Early. I'm going to pick them up now. I think they should be back any minute. And then we're gonna have a blast all day. Barrel Springs, that's some serious class for water. And when the water gets lower, it's scary because there's sieves underneath there and all that kind of stuff. But that's one of the things, one of the options now for you guys to vote on would be Dan doing barrel naked. He might have to have his dry top on, but underneath, in case he swam, he'd be naked. It'd be kind of funny as heck. But subscribe to this thing, this channel on YouTube. Subscribe. I gotta show you this gorgeousness. And I'm still taken breathtakingly beautiful. Look at that. We're in the canyon. I'm so lucky. I even have my own gardeners. They come in, they set up all my plants and everything. They buy the plants. They do it all. Let me introduce them. Gardener number 1. Hello. Hello. Gardener number 2. Hello. Gardener number 3.
Tomato plant.
Ooh. There's pot number 1 that they put together.
That's pot number 3.
Alright, well, it doesn't really matter. Pot number 3. Very, very pretty. Now, see, I do not have any kind of a green thumb. Everything I touch dies. Doesn't matter how much water I put in it. Doesn't matter how much I love it and tend to it and cater to its every needs. It dies. So I am the weed whacker person, which I'm about to go do. That's what I do. That's my contribution to the yard. Any cuter?
I'm a hobo.
You are?
Non-hope.
Bringing that whole bag up?
Yeah.
Oh, you're just so darling. Total change of plans. I'm running Shoshone tomorrow, but I am dropping off the clan, Dan, Grady, Brody, to run Shoshone now. I'll take some pictures and some video, and I'll post them, which you're watching right now.
And I don't care who you, but they be getting it too. You better watch what you say, don't know who's who. I got connects in all places that'll rock the shoes. Who wanted to do? I keep a nice chick on the side. I learned the game, that's why I keep an eye when I ride. I'm calling her names. Some niggas must be out your minds, like Jay said. I'll show you how to do this, son. I try to help your careers, but the short on funds is no threat. I don't need no gun. I'm down in the hallway, leaving them wet. I spit a verse that I've earned from the guts to the chest. There's 2 clowns out of pistol. Y'all believe you're the best, just call it. War with the mics, I put your niggas in check. The hottest niggas in the town, spitting flames to the death. It's hard way, so you don't wanna step to us. I love the bus. Gauge, punch you up, then get straight through.
You don't wanna step to us.
Cause real niggas do what the hell they want to.
You don't wanna step to us.
From the STC to the field on straight.
You don't wanna step to us.
Well, come on, then come on, when we blast up the heat.
You don't wanna step to us.
It's like this, it's like that. Getting sick on this track with some Crisco shit, some more critical shit. Hooked up with Slim from Stockton, now we got it all poppin'. Cause Cali's off the chain from Sac down to Compton. It ain't no stopping this. Gangsta shit, we banging this. Just listen to the tracks, this some banging shit. We claiming this territory, cause when it's on, we blast on sight. Cause no nuts, no glory. Real nigga be handling extra careless from the time. Riding out, no hiding out, cause I'm always never mind. On the ground with a 9, ain't no taking my shot. For the fatty, I'm ready to let them go up in the ghetto. Back in Stiletto, don't get your shit lit and wet, bro. Cause then it's going down south, niggas stay ready to ride for show, you know. We get down for ours, spit round for ours, making this shit happen. Fuck with the bomb.
Gauge, punch you up, then get straight through.
You don't wanna step to us.
Cause real niggas do what the hell they want to.
You don't wanna step to us.
From the STC to the field on straight.
You don't wanna step to us.
Come on, then come on, when we blast up the heat.
You don't wanna step to us.
The 12 gauge punch you up, then get straight through.
You don't wanna step to us.
Cause real niggas do what the hell they want to.
You don't wanna step to us.
From the STC to the field on straight.
You don't wanna step to us.
Come on, then come on, when we blast up the heat.
You don't wanna step to us.
Okay. Okay, ready? Okay.
Daddy, do me with my no hit.
Okay.
Hey, Frosty, okay?
Okay. Go. Yeah.
And I dare you when it's finished and done, I have your hands out trying to get paid. A lot of peons get played that way. It's silly